Previously on Undertale.
Are we going with Bazina?
Are we going with Bazina?
Howdy, I'm Flowey, Flowey the Flower.
Be good, alright?
Butterscotch Gang or Cinnamon Gang?
Oh, yeah. You like it? God, so cool.
Oh, did you want something?
Can I go home?
We messed up the pie strat.
No!
Prove to me you are strong. Survive.
Go away, Mom! This is so much more interesting.
I'm Sans. Sans the skeleton.
You know what's up, brother!
Now back to your regularly scheduled Undertale.
So, what's the whole thing about Undyne? Song rocks.
I know, this goes hard.
This game is the best comedy.
Sans, oh my god! Is that human?
Actually, I think that's a rock.
Oh.
Hey, what's that in front of the rock?
Oh my god! Is that a human?
Yes.
Oh my god! Sans, I finally did it! Dine will... gonna... I'll be so... popular!
Spat everywhere.
I know, I can hear it.
Human, you shall not pass this area. I, the Great Papyrus, will stop you. I will then capture you. You will be delivered to the capital. And then... not sure what's next.
Bruh.
Any case... continue only if you dare.
Well, that went well. Don't sweat it, kid. I'll keep an eye socket out for you.
Oh my god, what a genius.
Wait, does Sans not have eyes?
They don't have eyes, they have eye sockets.
Then how does he see?
Their eyes kind of glow. There's some narration on this cardboard box.
Oh, you observe the well-crafted sentry station. Who could have built this, you will ponder? I bet it was that very famous royal guardsman. Note, not yet a very famous royal guardsman.
Absolutely no moving.
Oh, this is that one dog, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Jesse, do you want to beat this guy?
Whoa, who is he?
He's
It's a
like,
dog, though.
he's a dog. He speaks really
Your
fast.
dog.
He's like, kind of
You said he speaks dog?
No, he speaks.
English.
He speaks
Whoa.
like a human.
Okay.
Just you know, just.
Did somebody move? Was it my imagination?
He's a chain smoker?
No, that's good.
I can only see moving things. If somebody was moving, for example, a human, I'll make sure it never moves again.
Bro has one of the things in his
I did. I'm not
throat.
supposed to move this box fight.
Yeah.
Doggo. Doggo is too suspicious of your movements.
Well, you can't move, right?
Yeah, it's supposed to...
This is like the easiest fight in the entire game.
I'm gonna manage to die to it somehow. You pet Doggo.
What I've been pet.
Okay.
Pat, pot, pet, pat, pot. God damn.
That was easy.
Bro. You get 30 gold. Damn, that was a boss level. This is something pet me? Something that isn't moving?
Well, zoinks. Wait, no. Scooby didn't say zoinks. What does Scooby Doo say? Ruh-roh-reggy, that's what he says.
I'm gonna need some.
Like Zoinks?
Wait,
I
so
think
if he's
it's
a
funny
chain smoker,
because,
our
yeah,
dog treats like his, like...
Yeah, I was gonna say, I
That's his
realized
nick.
that he actually is a chain smoker because he smokes the dog treats. Hey!
Hey, it's your boy. Hey, here's something important to remember. My brother has a very special attack. If you see a blue attack, don't move, and it won't hurt you. Here's an easy way to keep it in mind. Imagine a stop sign. When you see a stop sign, you stop, right? Stop signs are red, so imagine a blue stop sign instead. Simple, right? When fighting, think about blue stop signs.
Whee!
Blue stop sign.
We're figure skating. It's
Oh
so
my gosh,
wonderful.
it's like Snoopy.
Oh,
It's like Snoopy.
Yeah.
hello!
Oh,
I am a
for-
snowman.
Peanuts.
I want to see the
Wait,
world.
are we doing the Snopies?
But I can't
90%
move.
speed run?
If you would be
This
so
is
kind,
Snoopy's.
traveler, please take a piece of me and bring it very far away.
Yeah, let's do it.
He gets to live. I'm gonna let him live. I feel bad.
Yeah, we won't kill the snowman.
You're so lazy. You were napping all night.
I think that's called, sleeping.
Excuses, excuses.
Should've been on the grind set.
Oh, the human arrives. In order to stop you, my brother and I have created some puzzles. I think you will find this one quite shocking. Oh, you see, this is the invisible electricity maze. You touch the walls of this maze. This orb will administer a hearty zap. Sound like fun? Because the amount of fun you will probably have is actually rather small, I think. Okay, you can go ahead now.
You walk around it?
Sans, what did you do?
I think the human has to hold the orb.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you can walk around it.
Hold this, please.
That's fucking genius. I
I'm
love
not gonna
it.
lie, I love my voice for Papyrus.
I only just realized when I'm voicing Sans, I'm saying a human instead of human, like the bees in the bee
A
movie.
human.
You're talking to humans?
Okay,
Sorry,
try
she's a
now.
human.
I wonder, can I just like? Oh, you can't.
Barry
just
B.
walk
Benson.
Barry Benson, the goat.
Everyone would smash Barry B. Benson.
Incredible, you slippery snail! You solved it so easily, too easily. However, next puzzle will not be easy. It is designed by my brother Sans.
That's
You
me.
will surely be confounded. I know I am. Yeah!
He just slid. I never
We're just
noticed
like
that.
moonwalked.
Without even moving.
Michael Jackson.
Hey, it's a cool guy. I don't understand why these aren't selling. It's the perfect weather for something cold. Oh, a customer! Hello, would you like some ice cream? It's the frozen treat that warms your heart. Now just 15G.
Actually, it's nice cream.
I said
Yeah,
nice
true.
cream. Have a
No, I
super
heard
duper
ice.
day. I said nice.
Okay, fair. I believe you.
Oh,
Oh yeah, should we try the golf minigame? This is so hard. I can never get past like the second lowest. Alright, you're losing time here. This
I
is
didn't
so
realize-
Already
optimal.
melting, it's melting!
It is melting. Damn, you got stuck in the ice. It's
Put it in, put it in, put it in. Put it
That's
in.
totally not what she said.
Right, yeah, green.
First try, that's what I'm talking about. Wait, go up. You have to go up. You got to go to the up part.
there's one up here. Oh,
Hey, it's me, I'm Sans. I've been thinking about selling treats too. Want some fried snow? It's just 5G.
It probably tastes really bad.
Did I say 5G? I meant 50G.
No.
can I split that? No, I can't.
Do we even have that much?
No, I don't.
You're
In
right.
this, in this economy, no.
That's still too low.
I don't think he'd even give
I'm
it to
making
you
like
anyway.
5,000.
Oh,
It's a dog again.
his
Okay.
smell danger rating, snow smell snowman white rating can become yellow rating. Unsuspicious smell, puppy blue rating, smell of rolling around. Weird smell, humans, green rating, destroy at all costs.
Red.
Dogs can't see
Rose.
green.
It's green.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Wait, is
I
that
get
actually
it.
true?
Yeah, dogs can't see green.
That's
Oh, wow.
cool.
Hers. You guys didn't know that? It's the colorblind thing.
Well, I'd heard dogs
Steven
are
doesn't understand.
colorblind.
He's colorblind too.
It looks like a snowball.
Yeah,
It's
I don't know
actually
what this
snow
green thing
deck
is you're all
exposure.
talking about.
Okay,
No, it's green. Oh, I think it's on. Actually, no, it's fucking that.
No,
No, it's
Yeah, dude, the
Oh,
door
we'll
only
find that.
opens because of the. Oh, okay.
Gentlemen, I hope you're ready for... Sans, where's the puzzle?
right there, on the ground. Trust me, there's no way they can get past this one.
Let's see.
It's the hardest puzzle I've ever
Hey
seen.
kids, can you help me solve this puzzle? Alright guys, we need to find Giesler
goes hard.
Yeah, what the heck is that word? Cigars?
Sig.
Oh, it's on the very top. It's on the very top. That long word.
Jesse's actually solving it.
When
He
you
took a
see
picture-
this last hour of the playthrough,
He
just
took-
solving this word trick.
He took a picture of it on his phone using the edit, like the markup feature, like circling the words.
Okay, buddy. Okay, I get it. I get it, man.
Sans, that didn't do anything!
Whoops. I knew I should have used today's crossword instead.
What? Crossword? Can't believe you said that! My opinion, Junior Jumble is easily the hardest.
What? Really, dude? That easy peasy word scramble? That's for baby bones.
Unbelievable! Human, solve this dispute!
Which is harder, jumble or
Which is
crossword?
harder.
Crosswords are actually kind of hard though.
I would say
No.
crosswords because you need to know the words.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Unless there's a word box, then it's easy.
You two
Yeah.
are weird. Crosswords are so easy. It's the same solution every time. I just fill all the boxes in with the letter Z. Because every time I look at the crossword, all I can do is snore.
Hey, roasted, let's go. Papyrus finds difficulty in interesting places. Yesterday you got some trying to solve the horoscope.
Ah.
Horoscopes are solvable.
It's funny, you know how he mentions baby bones when he's talking? He says, that's for baby bones. I saw a post on the Reddit asking, like, guys, what if baby bones is the secret third skeleton?
Oh my god. I've heard that before and I'm like, dude.
Human, please enjoy the spaghetti.
Don't eat it.
Little do you know, the spaghetti is a trap designed to entice you. You'll be so busy eating it that you won't realize that you are progressing. Thoroughly japed again by the great Papyrus. Yeah, Papyrus.
It's a plate full of frozen spaghetti. It's so cold, it's stuck to the table.
Is that a
It's an
microwave?
unplugged microwave. All of the settings say spaghetti.
Get it, Jesse, you're attracted to microwaves.
Knowing the mouse might one day find a way to heat up the spaghetti. It fills you with determination.
Do you guys know that Jesse's sexually attracted to microwaves?
I always had a feeling. I always suspected.
Yeah.
Never knew for sure.
I said I would stick it in the
Dog
person.
Warning dog marriage.
Kinda
That's
cute.
too much woman for me.
Aww. Bless your dog.
Oh yeah. It's the best
Barely lifts
fight.
your hand unless your dog gets excited.
Whoa, calm down, buddy.
Ah,
Oh, that's so cool.
I'm not gonna take the time to
Lester,
pet him.
Lester. That's from GTA. Lester.
You say Lester?
Yeah, Lester.
Yeah, in one of those rocks you can find money in them. You click on all of them, it'll give you money.
The switch is stuck now. Do I? No,
Rocks.
I don't.
I think you got to go back down.
Yeah, you gotta start from the beginning.
You're lying.
No, I don't know about the rock thing. I'm just saying to like.
No, I know about the
switch
cliff,
turned
but
on.
I was trying the rocks.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I think it might be somewhere else.
I think you're lying.
Yeah, there's a secret boss fight.
No, the secret boss fight is when
Where
you
is it?
beat the credits without getting hit.
What's that smell? Where's that smell?
Wait, hold on. Who wants to be the parentheses? We should.
Oh, I see. Oh, yeah, there are two.
Who is it?
I'll be the female one.
Okay,
Okay,
I'll be the male.
guy. Aw.
Oh, you be the guy.
What's that smell?
Where's that smell?
If you're a smell,
Identify your smell.
Oh, I did not realize it was jazz.
I know, it's like the Seinfeld thing.
where's that weird smell?
Your tail inside.
It makes me want to eliminate.
Eliminates you.
Oh, their axes make like a heart or something. I don't know.
Kill them.
I'm kidding.
Oh shoot, what was the answer here? Roll?
Roll around first.
Yeah. You roll around in the dirt and snow. You smell like a weird puppy. Don't touch my hot dog.
He means me.
Damn.
Oh! No,
Oh my God, we're
please!
terrible at this.
You roll around in the
You
dirt
get
and
destroyed
snow.
with the dogs.
You smell like a weird puppy. Number 2 Nuzzle Champs 98.
Of course we were. Something.
Second. The dogs we want to re-smell. The dogs sniff you again.
We smell.
After rolling in the dirt, you smell alright. What? Smells like a...
You actually a little puppy?
I'm sure that's what that dog sounds like.
Is what that dog sounds like.
The dogs think that you may be a lost puppy.
Don't pet, don't pet. No!
You pet dog make
Actually
Wow.
work? Oh my
Pet
God,
by
it does
another
work.
pet.
Oh, don't leave me out.
Oh god, you might die here.
No,
Yeah,
yeah.
there you go.
First,
Alright,
first-
first
First
death
death.
of the-
No sense. If they identify you're a lost puppy, why do you keep on attacking?
You cannot give up. Just yet. Bazina!
Bazina.
Stay
I forgot we named ourselves Bazina.
Dog eye assaults you.
Dog eye. Yeah, I think you only have to roll around once.
Let's get human tail.
Humans have tails.
I said, let's lick human tails, I'm like, wait a minute, what?
Hey, Tails.
Not all of us.
What was that, Jesse?
I don't know, that was Tails.
The dogs sniff you again. After rolling in the dirt, you smell alright. What? It smells like a...
You actually a little puppy?
I don't get this attack.
Dude, you keep killing yourself!
You gotta like slide under
Yeah,
when
I was
it
gonna say.
raises
Yeah,
up.
the axes.
What does it
I mean,
say?
you can just like clutch it out anyway, even if you take damage.
Oh, I like this attack.
Cause it's easy. Wow, what a nerd, huh?
And I almost took damage, so... It's...
I'm like the less nerdiest person here.
Holy crap, this is so easy.
Wait, what do you do now? Oh, yeah.
Just keep on petting.
What about me?
People do like owners actually arrange like puppy marriages, like they actually get their dogs married. Is that actually a thing?
I'm sure someone's
I'm
doing
sure
it, yeah.
someone
Which
does
white
it.
people do that.
Did you
Yeah,
say
I don't
white
know.
people
Dogs,
do that?
dogs can pet
Yeah.
other dogs? I don't want to be the one to say it. Thanks, weird pup. Thanks, weird
Yeah, I
puppy.
don't know. Dog people are weird. I feel like I can... Is it offensive to dog people to say that? I feel like
Well,
they-
I mean, I'm a cat person, so I can't relate.
Turn every
Yeah.
exit to no and then press the switch.
Well, I'm guessing if you're a dog person, they heard this, they would kind of be offended because you're a dog person, saying the dog people are weird.
I'm gonna
Aha!
get canceled on Twitter. Dog Twitter.
What? How did you avoid my trap?
What is it called, Wolf?
It's pretty genius.
And more importantly, is there any left for me?
Oh, the spaghetti.
Then you ate it. Make it feel good.
No, I left it.
Could you?
Either way, he's gonna feel good, because if I ate it, that means I liked it. If I left it there...
Oh yeah, it's
the...
the same outcome, I think.
Nah, bro, that sucked.
Really? Wowee! You resisted the flavor of my home-cooked pasta. Just so you could share it with me?
See, I told you.
Yeah, sure.
Break not, human. I, Master Chef Papyrus, will make you all the pasta you could ever want. Yeah.
I was not expecting
I
that.
know. You weren't prepared for the yeah,
I know.
My brother started a sock collection recently. How saddening. Sometimes I wonder what he should do. Without such a cool guy taking care of him.
Oh.
Human! How do I say this? You are taking a long time to arrive, so... Decide to improve this puzzle by arranging the snow to look more like my face.
Beautiful.
Fortunately, the snow froze to the ground. Now the solution is different. And as usual, my lazy brother is nowhere around. Suppose what I am saying is... Worry not, human. I, the Great Papyrus, will solve this conundrum. Then we can both proceed. Meanwhile, feel free to try this puzzle yourself. Try not to give away the answer. Isn't there like a switch in a tree
Can you walk
that like
around
solves
it?
the entire thing?
Oh, maybe.
Go up around it.
Yeah, you can't walk around, there's
Oh.
like spikes.
There's a switch on the trunk of this tree. Press it.
Actually work?
Oh, what?
Aw, man.
Wait,
I
you
wonder
moved-
what that does.
Wait, try the button now.
Oh, sorry.
Well, I've been looking at the puzzle, and I think the solution is to turn all the X's into O's. You should try that. And he just figured that out. He made that puzzle. Ask again for more great hints.
Why is he slowly turning British?
There's a switch
Oh,
on the
no!
trunk of this tree. Press it. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I hit the button. Yeah.
Yeah, try hitting the button.
Oh,
There you go.
Ah! Wow, you solved it. My advice helped. It really helped you.
uh-huh.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm
Totally.
impressed.
Definitely.
You must care about puzzles like I do. Well, I'm sure you'll love the next puzzle then. Might even be too easy for you. Yeah.
His laugh is so whimsical.
I know.
Hey!
Good job on solving it so quickly. It's me, I'm Sans the Skeleton, I'm back. You didn't even need my help. Which is great, because I love doing absolutely nothing.
I thought he was gonna talk about how he just flipped the switch.
Same
Oh.
Hey! Say, human! You're gonna love this puzzle! It was made by the great Dr. Alphys. You see these tiles? Once I throw this switch, they will begin to change color!
Wait, I just realized
color?
this. Doesn't that computer behind Papyrus look a little, familiar?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's Menaton. You didn't know, you just
No,
noticed
No,
that.
I didn't know that.
That looks like a human's computer.
Bro, I'm learning so much. Now, bro, this is like Jared's laptop. That's like realistic
It
depiction.
is!
This is what he used to edit all his
It
videos.
went with NES games and that's it.
Yeah. There's like
Each
20
color
pixels.
destroys your computer!
That's the line.
Red tiles are impassable. You cannot walk on them. Yellow tiles are electric. They will electrocute you. Green tiles are alarm tiles. If you step on them, you will have to fight a monster.
Okay.
Orange tiles are orange scented. It will make you smell delicious.
Okay.
Blue tiles are water tiles. Swim through them if you like, but if you smell like oranges, the piranhas will bite you. Also, if a blue tile is next to a yellow tile, the water will also zap you. Purple tiles are slippery. You will slide to the next tile. However, the slippery soap smells like lemons, which piranhas do not like.
Okay.
Purple and blue are okay. Finally, paint tiles. They don't do anything. Step onto them all you like.
Alright, Jesse, you got all that? Because it's really important that you understand what all the
very
colors do.
This will be very important later on in the pop quiz.
Jesse, we're counting on you to remember all this, okay?
Yeah.
I was not
Okay.
How
paying
was
attention.
that? Understand?
Because it'll be easy for you guys.
Of course.
Great, then there's one last thing. This puzzle is entirely random!
Yo, AI generated ChatGPT puzzle.
The first.
Oh my god, they predicted it like The
AI.
Simpsons! When I pull this switch, it will make a puzzle that has never been seen before! Not even I will know the solution. Yeah, get ready!
Alright, let's do this.
All right, just.
Jesse, you have to remember this, okay?
Let's do this, man.
What do you know?
kidding me?
I love how he just spins away.
Are you for real, bro?
The machine isn't working.
Actually, that's spaghetti from earlier. It wasn't too bad for my brother. Since he started cooking lessons, he's been improving a lot. I bet if he keeps it up, next year he'll make something edible.
Oh,
Wow, next year, huh?
Yeah.
hey,
Produce a master
it's
stuff.
this
Who's that
guy.
Lester dog. Lester, it's Lester dog.
The dog is staring blankly into the snow, waiting in for turn
30
to
seconds till the bell alarm goes off.
It's Molester dog.
Okay.
Knowing the dog will never give up trying to make something the perfect snow dog, it fills you with determination. Hey, what up, baby girl? Hey!
Mochick
The dog
confirmed.
considers itself.
Remember?
The dog considers itself an artist, but doesn't ever know what to create. It probably doesn't help that its brain is the size of a piece of kibble.
Why is every underground person in like the snow place like smokers?
Oh, I just died.
Because it's cold.
I mean, you gotta cope with cold somehow.
It's a lump of snow with the word sands written on a red marker. It's a snow papyrus. I love how he
Great.
gave himself
That's why
like
papyrus is a goat.
muscles, even though he's just like bones. He's literally all bones. I
Can't believe you remembered how to solve this one.
No, actually,
there's
I accidentally solved it.
Isn't there like a
Yeah,
Papa's
accidentally.
like bakeria minigame based off of this?
I think so.
Yeah.
Whee!
A nice hat. Oh, you missed something. Go back.
Oh, wait, yeah, sorry, this is annoying, but go
Is
back.
this the, is this
Yeah,
the
go
actual
back.
way? I thought down here was the
Back,
actual way
yeah.
to go. Oh no.
No, I think there's a secret thing. What's up?
Oh, the
Is it-
eyes.
okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, where to get there? Say. Are you following me?
Uh-huh.
But
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh yeah, you gotta
oh,
take the
what a
decorations off of him.
You remember the lenticular bookmark of a smug teen winking.
Jesse, what if you had a kid that
That's a
looked
little
exactly
better.
like this?
I'd kill it.
Oh my god, why?
I'd throw it in a river.
Oh my
Remember
god.
the striped cane that says, I use this tiny
I'm
cane
not
to walk.
joking either. Don't try to take that out of context, really, because I would do
Give
that.
Trot is slightly less irritated.
Jesse, you have to care for it and love it as your own.
Oh wait.
Okay, if I get
Oh, wait,
government
yeah.
money from it, maybe I'll take care of it.
Oh.
I'll look at it once a month, maybe. But that's
I
it.
hate the sprite they get when they like get defeated. It's weird.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like they die.
Look at those.
It's magical!
I
So
don't
I
know the
think,
order to put it in. I don't
It's
know the
magical,
order.
like my uncle's house.
I think if you walk around and do nothing in this room for 2 minutes, something will happen.
of all
Have you guys
time.
ever watched
Oh,
Friends?
what's that?
Glide.
Who's
Applaud.
this?
So yeah, I don't know what we do here.
You clap up really
Oh, yeah.
softly. Glide sucks up your praise like vacuum cleaner. Okay, I rule. I admit it. Ooh.
Holy crap!
Oh,
Yeah,
Deltarune.
okay.
It's like Deltarune.
it's
True.
peeing out his tail.
Glide is giving
He's
himself a
pulling
high
out
five.
its tail.
Somehow.
I don't know.
You clap like a gorilla. Glide is becoming. What else do you have to say? Woo!
Who's having a good time?
Like me when I get one comment on my LB.
By a girl.
You clap like
Jesse.
a gorilla. Glide is becoming addicted to your praise. What else do you... Oh, I think I did the wrong thing.
Can you like compliment it or something?
Oh, I almost took damage there.
Oh, that was close. That was actually perfect.
Let me check it. Glide, attack high, defense high. Refuse to give more TV about it. Okay.
Oh man.
Watch, look, observe.
Then you just do nothing.
Maybe I have to
What
move
were
it.
There were other options. It's like a
Oh,
watch. Right?
dude.
Wait, did you?
Oh wait, you gotta heal yourself. Oh
You
no.
move, but hate
Yeah,
yourself
alright.
and make life. Oh! Oh, I messed
You're
up,
definitely
guys.
gonna die now.
Oh, no, please!
God.
I'm sorry!
Don't die. Oh my god. Okay, eat candy.
You ate monster candy.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
How great I am. Oh no!
Oh god.
I'm
Oh, you're
sorry!
dead.
Oh.
Oh
I
my
actually
god.
had another breakdown. Did you hear me screaming like Goofy?
You ate monster candy. How great I am. Please, I'll apologize, man! It's not that deep! Okay.
Yeah,
Why'd you
alright.
walk right into him?
Dude, how do you beat this level? How do you beat that boss, bro?
Our fate rests upon you. Bazina! Stay determined!
Bazina!
Alright, well, what do you think?
I say we... Aww.
Oh god, we have to redo a lot.